Hello classmates, my name is Pamela Pierce and I am videoing from sunny Florida. I will be doing my field placement in a juvenile detention center. I will be working with youth that are ages from 12 to 18 years of age. They have various tracks, and I will be working with youth that are in the substance use and the BDD tracks. And so we will be focusing on sobriety and the behavioral developmental delayed residents in the facility. How this placement will differ from my last placement is they are vastly different. My last placement, I worked with the homeless population. I was a caseworker. Therefore, I helped stabilize my clients. We navigated through the process of successfully achieving placement. We searched for housing. We conducted assessments. We helped apply for, different things: driver's license, birth certificates, food stamps, anything that could help stabilize the client. Where this time this is clinical, and in this time I will be doing biopsychosocials on my clients, running groups, working with the court systems in some limited fashion. We will be, developing treatment plans, and so they're very, very different. And what I hope to gain from this field placement is really just to apply all of the knowledge that we have acquired through our program, and even through my bachelor's, which was in criminal justice. I really want to hone in some of those skills that we have been taught, and all the knowledge that we've learned, and really just apply it in the field. So I wish everybody the best of luck. I look forward to watching all the videos and learning a little bit about each and every one of you. So I hope everyone has a great week. Thanks.